Hi, everybody. In this section, this is just a quick summary. We're going to do a run through some of my favorite things here, which is the 4 pillars of complex project management. Number 1 is minding the gap between the scope of work and customer expectations. Because a lot of times, for those of you who are familiar with, scopes and clients, there's a big gap between what the client expects and what our scope dictates that we do. And so we need to mind that gap. And so we're going to talk a lot about that. We're also going to talk about customer communications as part of that, how that all fits into our pillar. It's our pillar number 2. Pillar number 3 is don't be the disaster after the disaster. And what we mean by that is sometimes things happen. If we're doing a hotel project for, maybe somebody breaks a water pipe or something happens where we actually cause more damage to the building. Those things do happen. Equipment catches on fire, all those things. But we're going to talk about how to prevent that from happening as best as we can. Sometimes we have accidents. Sometimes our disasters are invoice. Sometimes they're just, we didn't walk everybody through the process. This is what our project's going to look like today. This is what it's going to look like tomorrow. And this is what it's going to look like when we're done. And so we have to always manage those things so that we don't have any disasters that we're not in control of. And so, and then our last piece that I'll focus back on is our critical path management. And so those are our 4 pillars of complex project management and the things that we always want to be looking at and managing as we go through our projects. So with that, I hope to see you in this. It's a little short section, so I hope to see you there. And thank you once again. Talk to you soon.